Understanding Feeling Sheepish, an English phrase explained. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of a common English phrase, feeling sheepish. This phrase is often used in everyday English, and understanding its nuances can really help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's dive in and unravel the mystery of this interesting expression. Feeling sheepish is an idiomatic expression in English. It means feeling embarrassed or ashamed, especially when caught in a mistake or a foolish act. The phrase draws a comparison to a sheep, which is often seen as a timid and shy animal. When someone says they feel sheepish, they're essentially admitting to feeling a bit foolish or embarrassed. The term sheepish has been used to describe embarrassment since the 15th century. It comes from the characteristics attributed to sheep: timidity, meekness, and submissiveness. When people act like sheep in this sense, they are displaying similar traits, being bashful or embarrassed, often in a rather endearing way. Let's look at some examples of how this phrase can be used in everyday conversation. I felt really sheepish after realizing I had been pronouncing her name wrong the whole time. He had a sheepish grin on his face when he came late to the meeting. She looked rather sheepish when the teacher caught her texting in class. In these examples, feeling sheepish is used to convey a mild, often humorous sense of embarrassment. When using feeling sheepish in writing or speech, it's important to remember that it's best suited for informal situations. This phrase is perfect for casual conversations, informal writing, or creative storytelling. It adds a touch of personality and relatability to the narrative. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and use of feeling sheepish. It's a fun and expressive way to describe those little moments of embarrassment we all experience. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about the colorful idioms that make it rich and lively. Keep practicing, and don't feel sheepish about trying out new phrases. See you in the next video.